Hi pumpkin heads, welcome back. Um right now I think I'm coming down with a cold. My throat is sore, so yeah. But I have Nightmare Harvester with me. Y'all saw the video I did on him a couple years ago. I have my mom with me right here. So I'm gonna put him down there. The one of the DVDs that I ordered off of eBay arrived today, and I so happen to have it with me right here. The other one is supposed to arrive on the 17th, so this one was supposed to arrive on the 16th, but it arrived early. Also, I am wearing my shirt of Chucky from Child's Play 3. I have my scissors here. These are just the scissors I'm using, just regular scissors that you would use to cut your hair with. So anyway, let's get into this. Be very careful when doing this. Eureka. Got it. So, here we go. So the DVD that I ordered, The Autopsy of Jane Doe. I've been wanting this movie. I love this movie. Another movie to add to the collection. This is a very, very good film. A lot of this movie doesn't get talked about enough. It is a really great film. This movie came out in 2016. It says. It's actually really good. It's this father and son. They work at this funeral home. They work in the morgue. And there's this body of this woman. They don't know her name, so they label her as a Jane Doe. And once her body arrives at the morgue, strange things start happening. They later do a lot of different research with her and find out that she was, I believe, a murder victim. But yeah, I love this movie so much. It is so good. I'll hold it up, hold it upside down so you can see the face of her. She's so beautiful. The actress right here who plays Jane Doe, she's so beautiful. I've seen pictures of her, and she is extremely gorgeous. I mean, she is just drop dead gorgeous. Well, literally drop dead gorgeous. Literally. She's very pretty. But definitely check this movie out if you haven't. If you have never seen this movie, I definitely recommend you check out The Autopsy of Jane Doe, because this movie is definitely worth watching. Definitely check it out. If you love horror movies that have stuff to do with funeral homes, morgues, supernatural things happening. Definitely check this movie out. Give this a watch. It's really good. I would give this movie probably just like the other movie, The Serpent and the Rainbow. I would give this a 9 out of 10 as well. It's just really good. I love it. Definitely worth watching. But yeah, I definitely recommend this movie. Because, I mean, it's just the best. So yeah, anyone that has never seen this, definitely check it out. Well, definitely check this movie out. If you have seen it, comment and let me know what you thought of the movie. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Is it just okay? What do you rate this movie? And if you haven't seen it, go check it out. It is on, I believe it is on Prime, so definitely go watch it. But yeah, this is the package opening of the DVD of the autopsy of Jane Doe. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys back here next time. Hopefully, my throat is burning. It hurts. I'm gonna go make me a cup of hot tea with lemon juice and go drink that and go watch me a movie and chill. So I love all of you guys. And I will see you guys back here for the next. If I'm feeling like it. I might be taking a couple days. I might be taking a couple days or so from filming until this cold goes away. It's just starting. This cold is just starting. So I'm probably going to be probably not going to upload any videos for a while until my cold goes away. But I hope y'all understand. I love you all so much, and so does my mom. She loves you guys so much, and I will see you guys back here next time. Bye.